Here's a pair of the Powerbeats Pro 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds into Bluetooth. Both the earbuds are in a case. Let me open these up. Now I'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking white, 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 okay? But I get a solid white light here, and then eventually it's going to go off. For me, the reason is because I'm currently connected to one of my phones. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode myself. There's a button here in the case. Leave the earbuds in here, and I'm going to press and hold that button for about 5 seconds or until it starts blinking white. I'll also hear a pairing chime. Okay, so button right here, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep holding. Now it's blinking white. Let go. You also heard the pairing chime. Now we're going to hurry up and shoot over to our computer here. We'll just go into search and just type in Bluetooth. Bluetooth and other devices settings right there. Let's select that. Now we're going to tap on Bluetooth and other devices right there. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on right there. Now we're going to tap that plus sign where it says add Bluetooth to other device. Let's tap on that, and now we're going to select the first one, Bluetooth right there. Now you see this line that's going across here. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is about 30 feet or so Bluetooth range. So it's still in the pairing mode here, and it did pop up, Powerbeats Pro right there. I'm going to select it. It says connecting. And I just heard the connecting chime on here. And you can see it says that we're connected there as well. I'll click on done. And you can see it says that we're connected here as well. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.